Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a memory spread for the week of November 5th through the 11th, and I'm using this really pretty kit from Scribble Prints Co. This is the September Mystery Kit, and I do have the glitter sampler. The colors of this are so pretty, and I will say when I first got this, I immediately knew that it wasn't necessarily my cup of tea, but for this week, I really like that it's very inclusive, and I love this girl, and this was election week, and I'm going to journal quite a bit about that because stuff happened. So I am going to be using this, even though it's not going in my main planner, because like the rich girl vibes of it are just like not my thing, but I do love, like I said, the inclusivity of it. It's really cool. So let me show you this kit, and then I'll show you the spread that I'm basing this off of. So I have the full boxes, one of the functional pages. I'm going to save a lot of this deco for other spreads. Flags, some little boxes here, and then we have some half boxes and little things, and then the bottom washi with date covers and the glitter sampler. So I love the colors. They're so pretty. And then here is the spread in my everyday planner. And this is also Scribble Prints Co., but this is really an old kit, and I really like it. This is based off of Scandal, and it's just so fun, and I really like it. So yeah, I'm going to move this out of the way, and then let's get started. I'm going to switch to a voiceover and speed you on through. So I'm starting with the bottom washi, which is this really pretty abstract gray pattern. Excuse my voice, it's early in the morning, but I want to get this done. And I'm just writing on the date covers with the with my gold pen because I'm lazy and I don't want to find the date dots. It works just as well. And then I'm just finding a flag. There's in the reformatted kit there on the deco page. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do with this kit, so I'm glad I used it, even though it's not necessarily like my go-to. And I chose the purple headers because I figured I probably wouldn't use that color otherwise, especially this time of the year, so I just threw it in there for a little pop. I love all the fruit in this kit. It's just so pretty. Okay, so over in my journaling section, I just put down a couple of full boxes and then a little glitter box for my favorite moment of the week. And I just used a piece of washi to make a little label. And then a little munchkin. And then moving on to Monday, I put in my video that went up that day, which I believe was my Halloween spread. And then at the top, I pulled in a little label with a bow clip for leadership team meeting. And I put that I was feeling a little more confident this week. I always struggle in the middle of the semester. I think it's just like you get bogged down and tired and you like can't see out of the hole. Oh, this was super fun. So my sister and I got tickets to go see My Favorite Murder, the podcast, in person in May, and so I pulled in a sticker from Peanut Butter Taco, which I love, and a little ticket sticker from Nikki Plus 3. I'm so excited, and I'm glad my sister's going with me because it'll be a fun experience to share. And then I just put a full box down and then put I am beyond excited. I think about it all the time, and I'm so looking forward to it. It's gonna be so fun. So then Tuesday was election day, and I have this little printable from Fox and Pip, and because my voting sticker was way too big to put in here, I tried, but it was just like taking up way too much space, so I used these instead, and they're really cute. And then below that, I put, waiting for election results is like waiting for a grade on a group project. I know I did my shit right, but I'm scared y'all fucked it up. That just made me laugh that day. And then even though Beto didn't win, I did note that it was such a close race and so many women won their races. And the House flipped, which was exciting. It was a very interesting election. Usually midterms don't get that much attention, and this one was very interesting. So as a social studies teacher, I enjoy that. And then below that, I put this little political cartoon. Well, it's not a political cartoon, it's just a cartoon, where the dog's wearing his Thunder shirt and the person is wearing his election shirt. It just made me laugh. And then I noted on a piece of washi that we had our Veterans Day program rehearsal that day. And then we also we put out this survey to the teachers. It was a whole thing. I'm not going to get into it, but I did note that we had a survey kerfuffle. Mainly I just wanted to use the word kerfuffle. And I don't even know if that's how you spell it, but I just wrote it down. And then I decided to use this full box with the girls, which I really like, below that. And then I put this funny picture of someone changed their Beto sign to, okay then, Beto for president, which I don't know that that's the right decision necessarily, but I do appreciate him and hope the best for him. Okay, so then moving on to the next day, I did put that I had a self-care night on Wednesday. I don't know if you saw that. And then over on the other side, I put down a couple of full boxes that I wanted to be sure to use. And then I put in this really great quote and then a glitter flag. And I was just writing about the quote. So the quote says, "Go where you're sent, stay where you're put, unpack, and give it what you've got until you're done." So it really spoke to me. I noted about how to approach school right now. I really do feel like I'm meant to be there. And I was just kind of trying to, I don't know. It's just stressful right now. Well, in this week, it's gotten better since then. And then the next day we had another Veterans Day program rehearsal, and it ended up being a really, really great day. And we put out a new survey, and that survey looked really good. We got positive results. So, and then below that, I noted that I bought Crazy Rich Asians. If you haven't seen that movie and you are a romantic comedy fan or a romantic movie in general fan, then you need to go watch it because it's so good. I've watched it a lot, maybe once a week since I bought it. I don't know. It's just so good. It's like a feel-good movie, and it's just really sweet. Then on Saturday, I am noting that I had a super productive morning. I got all of my cleaning done within 2 hours. I was like a machine. And when I do that, I'm so proud of myself because then I have so much more time on the weekend and I get time to relax and stuff. So, oh, I took this picture. It actually happened earlier in the week, but I didn't have any room earlier in the week. But I caught my first cat's tongue out picture. And I just thought it was really cute. That was Scout. And then below that, I registered for my spring classes, which is so exciting because I can see the finish line. I have 3 more classes after, starting in January. I have 2 and then 1. And then I will be finished. And I can't believe it. I graduate in mid-May. So excited. Okay, then on Sunday, I'd used another Fox and Pip little printable thingy, and then I had to unfriend some people. Not that that mattered anyway. It was just people that, I don't even have a relationship with, so it's all right. It's all right. And then I just used a little pumpkin paper co girl in a half box to note that I just had a chill day, and mainly that's because I got so much shit done on Saturday that I had some chill time, which is so nice before you go back to school, especially when it's a stressful time of the year. Having a little downtime is always nice. And then over on my sidebar, I noted for my favorite moment that all of the women that won their races. And then in the section above that, much better than last week. Some frustration at school, but it worked out. I'm blessed with mostly amazing coworkers. Just a little bit of shade there. All right, here is the finished memory spread, and I have to say I actually really, really like this. Even though I'm totally not into like the rich girl vibe that it was originally playing off of, I think it actually really works for this week because I'm loving these girls. They're just awesome, and I like how everything kind of like, I don't know, everything just kind of molded together. I like it a lot. So I hope that you did too. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!